Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, November the 3rd, 2025. KSE-100 index claws back some ground, but with momentum still fading and price structure damaged, the rebound still seems more tactical than trend defining. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so this is where we stand right now. An 1171.42 point jump for the day, yet a red candle. So, although we have reclaimed the important exponential moving average, is the 10 and 20-day EMA, the candle for the day was red. Now, when there is a red gap up candle, it shows sellers into strength, which is a very significant thing at such levels in the market. Other than that, volume is below average. RSI, it is back to neutral 50s, but still no bullish divergence. ADX has been continuously declining, now 25.92, technically still in trend, but it's a weakening trend throughout the last few weeks and months. MACD still shows improving downward momentum, but still negative momentum. So the positives would be the reclaim of the two EMAs, right? And RSI back above 50. And MACD histogram less negative than last week. The negatives would be a red candle despite a gap up, which shows that the market did not perform as well as it had thought it would at the beginning of the day, which shows change of sentiment during the day, which is very important. And volume again is below the 10-day average, and MACD is still in a bearish cross. So these are negatives. Overall, it would seem that this bounce of the last two trading days lacks conviction. And despite reclaiming near-term EMAs, the index remains below October highs. So the verdict of the day would be that the bounce lacks conviction. And despite reclaiming these important near-term EMAs, the index remains below the October level highs. It still remains within the short-term corrective phase, a sideways market in more layman terms. So unless there's a follow-through with strength, with volume, which lifts prices decisively above the 164K level to the 164.5K level, the risk stays skewed to the downside, and failure to hold today's lows, especially this moving average over here, re-expose the index to about the 158.5K area around here, which is just holding support at the moment, below which is a steep fall. So stay tuned and keep watching.